away real fast and then come join us right here inside the stores. We'll be right back.
City sidewalks, busy sidewalks, dressed in holiday style. In the air there's a feeling of Christmas ding dong. Children laughing, people passing, meeting smile after smile. And on every street corner you will hear silver bells, silver bells, silver bells. It's Christmas time in the city. Hear the bells go ring-a-ling, ring-a-ling. Hear them ring, soon it will be Christmas Day, Christmas Day. Strings of street lights, even spotlights blink a bright red and green as the shoppers rush home with their treasures. Hear the snow crunch, see the kids bunch, this is Santa's big scene. And above all this bustle you'll hear silver bells, silver bells, silver bells. It's Christmas time in the city. Hear the bells go ring-a-ling, ring-a-ling. Hear them ring. Soon it will be Christmas Day, Christmas Day. Soon it will be Christmas Day.
We're so excited for the holiday season, Christmas Day, all of our wonderful holidays. Thanksgiving is coming up soon. I mean, it truly is the most wonderful time of the year. 1, 2, 3. It's the most wonderful time of the year. With the kids jingle belling and everyone telling you be of good cheer. It's the most wonderful time of the year. It's the happiest season of all. With those holiday greetings and gay happy meetings when friends come to call. It's the happiest season of all. Parties for hosting, marshmallows for toasting, and caroling out in the snow. There'll be scary love stories and tales of the glories of Christmases long, long ago. It's the most wonderful time of the year. There'll be much mistletoeing and hearts will be glowing when loved ones are near. Loved ones are near. It's the most wonderful time. It's the most wonderful time. It's the most wonderful time of the year. Thanks so much, everybody. Follow us along this way. We're going to stroll right over towards these clocks, friends of ours. We'll see you real soon, everybody. Bye-bye. You know, fellas, why don't we sing a song all about being celebrating the holidays around the world real fast? It is beginning to look a lot like Christmas. What do you say? It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Everywhere you go, take a look at the 5 and 10, glistening once again with candy canes and silver lanes aglow.
Ya la Navidad estará aquí muy pronto.
Juguetes para el niño. Y lo más bello que se verá es el amor que se encontrará entre tú y yo.
And a pistol that shoots is the wish of Barney and Ted.
Dogs that will talk and will go for a walk is the hope of Janice and Jen. And Mom and Dad can hardly wait for school to start again.
Vaya para Christmas.
Dokomi temo Nakakuti kireina Kurisu matsuri Go and night of animo. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Soon those bells will start, and the thing that will make them ring is the carol that you sing right within your enthroned sound. That song, as I said, is what we like to call Christmas around the world real fast. But fellas, because we're taking trips all around the world right now, what do you say we take a trip ourselves to the Hawaiian Islands for the holidays song? Nope, we're gonna feature
5 minutes. Okay.
5 minutes. You're never gonna possibly make that anyway. Maybe get a reimbursement for that. We're gonna feature Jim on this one, all about the Hawaiian Islands. 1, 2, 1.
Maka is the thing to say on a bright Hawaiian Christmas day. That's the island greeting that we send to you from the land where palm trees sway. Oh, here we know that Christmas will be green and bright, the sun to shine by day and all the stars at night. Melakaliki Maka is Hawaii's way to say Merry Christmas to you, to you. Melakaliki Maka is the thing to say on a bright Hawaiian Christmas day. That's the island greeting that we send to you from the land where palm trees sway. Oh, here we know that Christmas will be green and bright, the sun to shine by day and all the stars at night. Melakaliki Maka is Hawaii's way to say Merry Christmas,
A very Merry Christmas,
a Merry Christmas to you. Thank you very much, everybody. Jim on that one, folks. We are the Dapper Dans. We'll be up and down Main Street, USA all day long. While we might not have a Merry Christmas in Hawaii, right here on Main Street, USA, we do enjoy a little bit of snow as it snows every night and enjoy ourselves a white Christmas indeed. The sun is shining, the grass is green, the orange and palm trees sway.
there's never been such a day.
What a day
on Main Street, USA.
But on December the 24th,
we are longing to be
I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know, where the treetops glisten and children listen to hear sleigh bells in the snow. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas with every Christmas card I write. May your days be merry and bright, and may all your Christmases, why may they all be white? I'm dreaming of a white Christmas with every Thank you very much.